The meteoric rise of e-commerce has seen a massive increase in the number and size of warehouses. With recent global events forcing many businesses to shift fully online, the focus on warehouse safety has become even more important, especially around machinery like forklifts, which can cause serious injuries or worse. Hello, I'm Rick Novleski, your host today. Thanks for joining us. Today we'll talk about preventing accidents thanks to the VIA Mobile360 Forklift Safety System, an AI safety system which will reduce accidents and days away from work, but most importantly for you and me, keep us safer and get us home in one piece. Our system is like having extra sets of eyes that are always looking out for pedestrians. We'll check out what's included here in a second. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest news and products. So, modern warehouses are incredibly efficient thanks to forklifts. They can perform in minutes the same warehouse tasks that used to take hours to do manually. And due to their high lift capability, they allow warehouses to maximize the increasingly expensive floor space by stacking vertically. But this has led to other problems. And while there's no debate that forklifts make your warehouse highly effective, their increased use has seen an unfortunate rise in workplace accidents and even deaths. And that's where the forklift safety system can excel. Some quick stats. On average, 95 people are seriously injured in a forklift accident every day, and one person is killed in a forklift accident every 4 days in the United States alone. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the number one type of forklift-related accident involves the hitting or running over of pedestrians, and 36% of forklift-related deaths are pedestrians. Now those are some grim numbers, but let's apply this more close to home. About 11% of forklifts in the US will be involved in an accident each year. Statistically speaking, if your facility has 10 or more forklifts, an accident is likely to happen this year. Apart from better operator training and equipment inspections, mistakes and human errors still happen. So how can we reduce accidents, make our workplace safer, and still utilize forklifts, which are essential to warehouse operation? The VIA Mobile360 Forklift Safety System addresses this, reducing accidents and injuries, increasing operator attentiveness, and strengthening compliance with current and emerging health and safety regulations. Designed to last in the toughest indoor and outdoor conditions, its rugged metal body and accessories have rock-solid construction and reliability, and it's easy to install, set up, and operate for your workers. With the super rugged design meeting IP67 water resistance, display output, and 3 AHD camera in ports, 4 ports for optional 4G and the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS antenna, the power accepts 9 to 36 volts with accessory and ignition support. On the other side, there's a gasketed cover for the micro SD and SIM slots, and a speaker port, CAN bus, and digital I/O 1 and 2 ports. The AI in our system provides smart people detection with the 720p 190-degree front and rear cameras. They can cover an area up to 5 meters, depending on installation height, and provide a sound or voice alert when someone steps into the detection zone. You can choose 1 zone, critical, or 2 zone, warning and critical, and zones and customizing the alerts can be configured in the phone app. Smart operator behavior is AI which alerts operators when it detects signs of fatigue with the driver's 720p 92-degree camera. It will also flag dangerous distractions like smoking and using a mobile phone while operating the vehicle, as all of these are a large factor in many forklift accidents. All cameras record to the micro SD card and come with mounts and can quickly attach either with strong magnets and 3M tape or secured with screws. And the optional 7-inch CVBS high-res display shows the front and rear camera views and detection indicators, driver detection indicator, as well as system and connectivity status. All pieces mount and connect with high-quality brackets and cabling, which underwent stringent testing and validation to keep performing in demanding conditions. The VIA Mobile360 WorkX smartphone app is available for iOS 12 and higher and Android 5.0 and higher. Alright, so what can we do with the app once the system is installed? First, you can use it to calibrate the cameras after install. You can also adjust the settings and upgrade the firmware for the system through the app. Also, the Mobile360 WorkX app allows you to view recorded video footage, as well as download the video stored on the microSD card. These could help to provide better driver training or discuss what management would like employees to do in some situations. So the VIA Mobile360 Forklift Safety System can be fitted to all existing forklifts in your fleet, radically improving safety in your workplace. For more info on this system and our other products, please visit us at viatech.com, where we offer transportation, industrial, and smart city solutions. And we're happy to assist you. Just shoot us an email and we'll help you get the right solution. Hopefully this helped you. Please do hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to VIA Technologies for our latest news, guides, and products. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for more new videos. Bye for now.